So now we are discuss about the irrigation engineering. In irrigation engineering, the method of irrigation, the very important chapter for the competitive exam, and also that is a very important question in unknown city examination. So we have to discuss about method of irrigation. Method of irrigation. So what is irrigation? What is irrigation? Irrigation means to supply the water to the agriculture land. To supply the water to the agriculture land. That is the definition of irrigation. So water supply. So what is method? Method is also known as types. So we have to discuss about the method of irrigation. So three methods are available in irrigation system. One is surface, another one is subsurface, another one is sprinkler. So surface irrigation system, subsurface irrigation system, and another one is sprinkler irrigation system. In surface irrigation system, two categories are available. One is uncontrolled, another one is controlled. Surface irrigation system divided into two categories. One is uncontrolled, another one is controlled. So in uncontrolled, where we use the uncontrolled surface irrigation, we use the uncontrolled system in flat lands. So in flat land, we have not take the control water. We are not able to control the water. Due to the flat land, the uncontrolled water is flow. So in flat land, we have to use the uncontrolled system. There is no need of control because this is the flat land. So the uncontrolled water is flowing on the flat land. So in controlled, we are control the water. This is divided into four categories. The water supply from field channel. Another one thing is border strip method. Another one is check method. Another one is the basin method. So these four categories are under the controlled irrigation. So from field channel, it is used in steep slopes. The plan of the field channel means the water is flowing like this. The sectional view is that is the land. In cross-sectional view, CS cross-sectional view, the water is flowing like this along the direction of canal. The water is supplied laterally. That means supply from this side and that side. So this is the from field channel category. So another one, border strip method. The canal is going, the lands are divided into lot of strips. So these are the borders for each and every strips. So the water is supplied to each and every border strips. So the important is the length of the border strip is 100 to, it's not visible, so I write here. So length of the border strip is 100 to 300 meter, and breadth of the border strip, this is length, this is breadth, this is length and this is breadth. So length of the border strip is 100 to 300 meter, breadth of the border strip is 10 to 20 meter. So these two is very important for competitive exam. This is asked in lot of competitive exams. So another one is check method. So check method, this is a canal. So this is not visible for you. Check method, this is the canal in this side, and this is another canal. These are the land. So here going on another canal, this is another one canal. So the land are divided into a lot of checks. Checks means we are very well know in the check sets. So check means the lot of small square boxes. So from this canal the water is supplied to these checks and these checks. Okay, so this canal the water supply this and this. So that is check method. It is very most general method. This is used nowadays, the check method. Then the another one is basin method. So what is basin method? You also know about the basin. Basin means the water is flow this basin like this. So this method is used for fruit plants. So the four methods are in uncontrolled method, from field channel, water stream method, check method and basin method. So now we are move to the subsurface irrigation. So the subsurface irrigation. So in subsurface irrigation, I have to compare the subsurface. Another one is, what is the method? Subsurface and sprinkler system. So subsurface method, this is the ground level, GL, ground level. The water is supplied below the ground level. That is known as subsurface. Surface means, this is also known as ground surface. It is denoted by ground level or ground surface. The pipe is, or any conduit is used to supply the water from below certain depth of the ground surface. So it is known as subsurface, under the surface. So this is the pipe to supply the water. So in which the important points are, there is no evaporation loss. There is no evaporation loss. There is no evaporation because this is fully closed by the pipe material. So there is no evaporation loss. And another one important is, there is no seepage loss. there is no seepage loss. But in surface irrigation method, the loss due to evaporation is there and the loss due to seepage is there. So in which there is no evaporation loss, no seepage loss. Another important thing is the application efficiency. It is denoted by neta A. We know very well in first chapter. So neta A application efficiency is 90%, because there is no loss due to the evaporation and the seepage. So the 90% only you have to consider applicable. There is no consider 100%, because there are some leakages are sometimes available. So you have to consider 10% for leakage and another losses due to friction. And we have discussed about the losses due to major loss and minor loss in fluid mechanics. Losses due to major losses due to friction, and minor losses are contraction and expansion and bends. So we are discussed about the losses in fluid mechanics deeply. So the losses are only we are considered 10%, but 90% application efficiency available. What is application efficiency? What is application efficiency? Water from the reservoir, water to the field. The amount of water supplied to the field from the water supplied from the reservoir. The amount of water supplied to the field from the water in reservoir. So that is the application efficiency. This is very important. And another thing is there is no soil erosion. There is no soil erosion. Another very important thing is that is not suitable. That is not suitable for row crops. That is not suitable for sorry. Highly tensed crops. So not suitable for highly tensed crops. Highly tensed crops means rice and wheat. Tense mean this is the lot of plants are near. So this is not suitable for highly tensed crops. So another one is sprinkler. So in sprinkler, the most important point is this is asked in IES exam, Indian Engineering Service. So that is very important. Application efficiency and use efficiency is more. Application efficiency and use efficiency is more. These 2 points are very important. So another one important point is the major disadvantage of sprinkler system is power consumption is more. Power consumption is more. You have know about the sprinkler system, that is like this. The water is spread over. This is turned over 360 degree. So the water is spread like this over 360 degree. The water is supplied from the rotation of this system. So the system is rotated by the electrical current or any battery like this. So the power consumption is most. That is the very major disadvantage in sprinkler system. This is asked in many competitive exams. Then another one is there is no soil erosion. No soil erosion. So these are the method of irrigation. But in surface irrigation, we only discuss about the flooding method, and furrow and contour method are available. So furrow method and contour method. This is under the category of surface irrigation. Okay. So furrow method and contour method. So in furrow method, like this. These are the plant. In plant, these are the plants. Okay. These are the plants. Okay. This is water supply. This is canals. Water supply through the canal. So this is sectional view. This is the sectional view. This is very important. So the 2 points in furrow method. So water penetrate laterally to the plant. So water penetrate laterally to the plant. So that is the water laterally seep to the plants. So another one important point is that is used for this method. Furrow method is used for row crops. Row crops. So row crops means that row. This is like a row. This is like a row. So there are number of rows are available. So the furrow method is used in row crops. So another one is contour method. Contour method used in hilly regions and as well as steep slopes. Contour method like this. So this is the terrace ground level. So water is supplied like this, and this water is supplied. So this is the method of irrigation. This is very important question for unannounced syllabus and as well as competitive exams.